This job is crazy. At this point, I feel like I'm doing mere stupidness. So it's looking terrible as hell. Hey guys, morning. Welcome back to Heavy Duty Life. I'm bringing you a new video again today. So this morning we got a interesting job, very interesting job, and I don't know if in my previous video you hear me say some jobs you just gotta shut your mouth and just approach it, just approach it and see if you could do it or not. Well, this is one of those kind of jobs today that I have to do that. This job is crazy. Yeah, crazy fun. So guys, I have the 200 excavator with me today, and these guys want a foundation footing pull, a trench. They want a trench dig from here straight along the line, and they want to go down roughly 18 inches. It could be deeper, no problem. All they want to do is get to pour their footing for the fence, and they want to be able to cover it up when they're finished and hide the foundation slab, the pour. They want to hide it in the ground, so if you're driving by you wouldn't be able to see the foundation, you know, sticking out of the ground. They just want to see the fence alone. So yeah, this is the job. And the tricky thing about this one though is that I can't sit in the middle of the trench like I normally would, because this here is a slope. It's just, I can't work like this but dig it straight. So like I was telling the guys, I either sit down here or I sit up there. And we have the asphalt. I don't want to put the tracks in the asphalt and damage it, so we gotta sit up there and do it. You know, that's what I say I'm gonna try. You know, it's all about a try. I don't ever want to say no to a customer. I always want to just give it a try, even it may look impossible to do, but I always want to give it a try. If I try and I fail, then we're gonna give it one more try, and if I fail again, then we're gonna think about some other way in doing it, you know. So that's just my my thought perspective to that. So there's a lot of natural bushes here that I really don't like killing, but in a job like this, it is what it is, and we got to get on with it. So yeah, the guys is gonna move the tile to get these two posts to move, and we're gonna start. Alright guys, so we get the machine up there. We get out the 2 posts. So now we're gonna see if we can start penetrating to get a pipe here. Not sure if I'm gonna save it, but they say no problem if it breaks. So we gotta go by 18 inches into the rock and continue. So let's get started on this job. Yeah guys, so update. We just I just reached to this spot here. Don't mind how unpleasant the job look. Remember, I'm working in some different kinds of difficulties today. So we get this pipe here, trying my best not to break it. It's not broken. It took me a little while to get here because you see how I'm working. So this part would never be perfect. I mean, I'm not sitting straight with the trench, but it'll work for what they want. They wanted 18 inches down. I'm averaging right now because there's no the guy left, so I don't have no laser level or anything like that. But that's okay, I'll figure it out. The guy said you have to hop on a plane and go somewhere, but he trusts me enough to leave me with his main pipe. And yeah, so I reach here now, so I'm gonna just continue. Just want to show you guys. It seems as this is a very hard rock I'm cutting. I wouldn't have to come back in to cut nothing. At least it's always easy for them to just take some material and throw it back in and, you know, compact it. And at the end of the day, this is hard rock, really hard rock. So it doesn't matter. It's easier for them to put it in back than to call back the machine to come and cut it back. So I always go a little bit extra and a little more lower than what they want in terms of level. So I know when I go back, I'm clear. I don't have to come back because I hate when I'm cutting trenches. I hate coming back in, you know. So yeah, this is just a little update. I'm gonna continue going straight down. There's a lot of bushes here and I don't want to kill them. That's why I didn't like perfectly level out myself up there. I don't want to wrench up or tear up too much of the trees. I'm gonna work on top of them, but when I finish, you know, in a few months time they should be able to grow back, you know. So that's why I'm working a little uncomfortable today, because I don't want to tear up the ground. Let the trees live too, man. So I'm gonna be continuing now. I hope you guys enjoying this. I hope you learning something, and stick around for the tip of the day. Alright guys, so it's looking terrible as hell. Yeah, but like I said, it's a challenge, but we're gonna get it, don't worry, we're gonna get it. We're like halfway through the first half. I'm gonna go grab something to eat, and then I'm gonna continue. It's looking ugly right now, but trust me, I'm gonna find a way to make it look nice. And I mean, it can look really nice because you see how I'm working, but we're gonna make sure that the guy get exactly what he wants, and in the fastest time possible. So let me grab something to eat and we're gonna continue, guys. So we're gonna start back now. We're gonna start back trying to do what we gotta do. So how the how the land shape, it's weird. The top is high, here is low, and we still gotta get 18 inches in. So that's why I gotta drop this, you know, so the foundation could get to hide, you know, and I can't carry too much in, and they want it where they want it. So now here comes the tricky part, because it has the bin and the toilet behind me here now, and I can't stay on that side, and the land is really unlevel, and like I explained before, I don't want to dig up nothing, you know, so I gotta work a little uncomfortable today. So but like I said, we're gonna figure it out. We will figure it out. So let me see how we can do this thingy. Alright guys, so at this point I feel like I'm doing bare stupidness, and I'm working really uncomfortable, and I don't like that, and you guys know me, I don't like that. So I'm really on level. I'm not getting the trench the way I want it, the way I want to get it, and I guess this come with the tip of the day. The tip of the day is sometimes we as operators, we just be working, and you know, nothing does be going in our favor. So sometimes we gotta like just stop. This is the tip. Just stop, take a breathe, reevaluate the situation, see what's going on, and calm yourself down. Think about the best way that you could move forward, making yourself more comfortable, and searching for the easier way out, and just reset your job, make yourself comfortable, and then start again. And especially if you're cutting rock in a rocky place, let me tell you something, this island have some really hard rock. Like sometimes you be cutting and you would be one spot for 2 hours straight. You wouldn't move 5 feet in 2 hours. It's a very, very slow process, and you have to get a lot of patience. a lot of patience. So sometimes you might look at this video and you might see this video is just 30 minutes or 40 minutes. I be on this job cutting this rock for some time, 2-3 days. Yeah, it's that a lot, it's that long of a process. So yeah, with that tape and letting you know, guys know that what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna make myself comfortable. The job is already dirty, it's already looking mad and ugly, and I don't like giving a result like this. Trust me, this is ew. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna level myself out. I'm gonna sit a little level. I'm gonna take, I mean, the place is already nasty, so you gotta clean up at the end, and cleaning up is not gonna be a problem. And if I continue working like this, it's just gonna make the customer pay a lot of money, and I don't want that. I want to be in here, get it done, and be out of here as fast as possible. So I'm gonna set myself up, take a breathe, set myself up, and then we're gonna nice up this job. So I hope you guys understand the way I talk. Let me know in the comment section if you guys find it hard to understand me when I'm talking. I'm a Guyanese, I'm from Guyana. That's why the way I talk, it comes with an accent. But we speak English though. But just let me know, and I'll try my best to speak a little better English for you guys. So yeah, we gonna continue doing this job. guys. So here am I walking through the trench. You see what I was talking about with making yourself comfortable. So I get to get a trench in a, see the flag there where I'm supposed to stop. Yep. So not too bad for a rookie. Yeah, so we pull it back. You know, I mean, you can't really worry about the sides. The sides is not important. The guy, as long as I get the floor down to the depth that they want, and the floor is properly level and don't go up and down like waves, because this is where the trouble gonna be, you know. So the floor is the most important part, and yeah, I think I get a floor reasonable, you know, judging from the way I started. And you see the difference, like I do like up to here when I first started, and I was working uncomfortably. So you see here, look miserable, all the sides just miserable because I was working from the angle. But you see from here, go back, you see a slight difference, and that's when I started level out myself, and that's when I put the tip into action. So as you can see, there's a difference in the way the job looked from this half to this half. I mean, I had the pipe and so here, so there wasn't much I could do. But the main thing is I get the width, I give them extra, and I get a good depth. There should be extra as well with the depth. So yeah, we cooking with gas. So but you see what I'm talking about with that tip. As long as you know, just take a step back, relax, evaluate the job, and reset the whole job to make yourself comfortable. Yeah, sometimes the whole job is like, sometimes it gets you overwhelmed and you start getting impatient and so on. So it's nice to just stop, you know, stop and just take a breathe and remind yourself that, hey, I'm the boss and I'm controlling this machine, and it's not the other way around. Not the machine controlling me, I controlling the machine, you know. And what I tell it to do, it have to do. So yes. Alright guys, what a day, what a day, what a day. So because I don't know, for some reason this afternoon when I'm working the machine, it just feels really different, you know. It doesn't feel fast and swift as I know it. It's kind of a bit slower. So we're gonna take it in the yard for maintenance. So unfortunately this job is gonna be held up for a minute, for a little, but we're gonna get back to it sometime in the new week or something. As you can see, everything is locked up. Everybody gone and left me since 3 o'clock, and it's like 6 o'clock now, and I just wanted to get the road open up back and get the stuff off the road, and you know, get the place a little tidy up so I won't inconvenience anybody, so they could drive up back in, and also when the truck come for the machine, it could be loaded up easily. So yeah, this is it for this video, guys. So this is a look of it. I mean, from what I reached this morning to now, the guy get what he want. He could put his foot in here comfortable now, and until we come back to dig the rest and backfill, yeah, we're gonna leave it for the rest. So thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate the support. I appreciate everything you guys say in the comment section about the channel. I put a lot of effort into this, like I said. So anything you guys could do to help this channel grow, like I say, I want to reach 1,000 subscribers this year. And if you guys, you know anybody that into equipment and they would like these kind of content that I have, please share the video. Yeah, please ask them to subscribe and so on if they like. If they like what this channel have to offer, let them subscribe. Just share the video, share, like, subscribe. Comment down in the comment section which was your favorite part of this video, and yeah, any questions you could ask me right down in there. Any personal question, I always leave my email down in the description, so you could always check that out. So thanks for watching, guys. Until the next one.